Welcome everyone, here is how you use the Icon Hue app in your iPhone. This will allow you to get custom app icons on your device, and what's really cool is you don't have any animations or fancy stuff, okay? The actual app icon is replaced. It's really cool. So I have this purple Safari, there's going to be more apps icons as well. So the first step is you will need to download the Icon Hue app. This is free from the App Store. Next we're going to open up the Icon Hue app. So when you're brought to the home page, currently there's only icons for Safari. However, in the future, there'll be more icons available. So let's just tap on the Safari icon here. And we have all of these options. So you saw my home screen. This is the purple Safari. I really like this one, but there are a bunch of other options as well. Maybe you like green. You want green? Cool. So I'm going to choose I want to choose purple again. Let's choose a different one. I'm going to choose green here. So I'm just going to tap on Get. And it's going to say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. So I'm going to tap on Allow and then Close. So from here, let's open up the Settings app. And you're going to see, go to the home page here. At the very top, it should say Profile Downloaded. Just tap on this one. From here, we want to tap on Install, enter in your passcode, then you're going to tap on Install, Install, and then Done. Now you can see we have a different color Safari icon on our device, and it opens up the app directly. No, weird animations. It just works. It looks like an iOS app. Now it did remove my purple Safari icon, so if the developer is watching this, wink wink, you do need to change the bundle ID for each profile, otherwise it will override itself. And of course you can go into the Icon Hue app, just choose as many icons as you like, customize your icon to your heart's content. Maybe in the future there'll be icon packs you can download, and once they are downloaded you have a fully customized iPhone with one click. We'll have to wait and see. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.